Hello guys, welcome to my video. In this video, we are gonna talk about Tapai, which is one of biotechnology product. Tapai is popular enough in Indonesia. It's soft and sweet. And now, I'm gonna show you how to make Tapai. Please enjoy! So how to make Tapai? Ingredients we need are a kilogram cassava, banana leaves, yeast, clean water, and tools we need are a knife, a spoon and a fork, a filter, a bowl, Tupperware box, clean cloth or tissue, and the last is stove and a steamer. Step 1. Peel cassava by slashing the skin with knife. And then chop off the skin from the cassava. Step 2. Clean them thoroughly with water. And step 3. Scrape the other cassava skin. Step 4. Cut cassava into some pieces as big as this. Or you can cut cassava as big as you want. Then step 5. Clean cassavas once more and make sure this time it's very clean. Step 6. Pour water into the steamer and boil it. After that, put cassavas into the steamer and wait for about 15 minutes until cassavas become half cooked. Step 7. While waiting cassava, clean banana leaves with clean cloth or tissue. After cassavas have been half cooked, switch off the stove, then take out cassavas using a fork and spoon. Then put them on the tray and wait until cassavas become whole. Step 9. Grill the yeast with a spoon until it's like powder. After that, spread it on cassavas with filter thoroughly to all sides. At last, cover the Tupperware box with banana leaf. Then, put cassavas into the Tupperware box. After that, close it tightly. Then, let cassava into the Tupperware box in 3 days. After 3 days, tapai is ready to serve. Please, try it yourself. Okay guys, it's enough to tell you how to make cassava tapai. Thank you for joining my video and I hope you successfully earn tapai. See you on next videos. Bye!